My project will revolve around a medieval castle siege defense game. In order for the player to win the game, they have to destroy all the enemy spawners represented by these purple triangles. For the enemy to win the game, they have to destroy the king. There's a couple different ally types within the game. We have the weak allies represented by green, strong represented by blue, civilians represented by light blue, and the king represented by orange. For the enemies, we have strong enemies represented by red, weak represented by purple, and the giant troll represented by the giant orange triangle. The enemies will be spawned via the purple triangles, which represent the siege towers. Allied soldiers will be spawned by these blue spawners in the courtyard. Civilians will be spawned inside the civilian houses at the bottom of the courtyard. The holes in the wall allow the strong units to pass through, while the weak enemies can pass through whenever they want via the siege towers. Civilians will try to block these holes by repairing them. If artillery lands near them, represented by these red stars, the civilians' behavior will trigger them to flee back to their tiny little houses. Enemies and allies will target each other based on their perceived threat. Weak enemies will target weak allies, and strong enemies will target strong allies. After a certain threshold is hit, the castle gate will be destroyed, allowing the troll to enter the courtyard and start destroying the king's wall. If the king's wall is destroyed, there will be one last rally where the king will call all of his troops around him to help defeat the troll, and then finally the rest of the spawners surrounding the castle. And that concludes the demo of my project.